Hello students, we will have to draw today one construction in which a circle will draw with the help of a bangle. That means we don't know its exact center. Then we will draw a pair of tangents to it from an exterior point. So already I have drawn a circle. Suppose we don't know its exact center. So we will take 3 points on the circumference of the circle and first we will find out the exact center. So A, B and C 3 points I have taken. Now we will join them. Like this, we will join. Then we will draw its perpendicular bisector of these two line segments. Take more than half and draw two arcs up and down, and from here also up and down. Then we will join them. Exactly, it should be joined. And same procedure for BC also. More than half, up and down, from B also up and down, like this. Where they cut, that will be the center. Now suppose we have any point here outside. This is P. From this point we want to draw two tangents on this circle. So first we will have to draw O and P, and then we will draw the perpendicular bisector of OP again by taking more than half from here and from O also, and you join it. These arcs may come outside the circle also and inside also, that depends on the opening of your compass. So here it should be joined exactly. So here suppose it is cutting on M. You put the compass on M, open up to O, draw one more circle. This will pass through P. Here, because it's flipped a little bit, that's why it's not passing. Otherwise, when you do practice, it will exactly go. Now we got these 2 points. Suppose this is Q, and that is Q dash. Now when you join, you will get the required tangents. On this and one here also, you will get like this. Q dash. So these are two tangents. So you do practice, then you will be master in that one. Thank you.